In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a voiceover to a video on iPhone. So to do this, we're going to be using an external app. So open up your App Store, and once you're on the App Store, go ahead and search for CapCut. If you haven't got CapCut already, you can go ahead and download it and then open the app. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and create a new video by clicking on the new video button. Then you need to select the video you want to add a voiceover to. Once you've got it on your timeline, you can then go ahead and click on the video. And if you go to volume, you can just turn this all the way down, and this will remove the background noise from your clip. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and add a voiceover to this. So if we go to the audio timeline, which is one under the video, if we click on it, we'll then see a button appear called record. It will be the fourth one to the right. You can go ahead and click on that. Then you can tap and it will start recording. So it will give you a countdown, and now it will start recording. We can record our voiceover. Here's the truck going by, and it will obviously play this video. It's going to keep going until you actually stop it. Once you've stopped it, you can then go ahead and crop off the ends if needed. Now we've got our clip with our voiceover. We'll go to export in the top right hand corner. And there you go, we're now exporting this clip with a voiceover, and this will go into our photos, and that's all you have to do.